Congratulations! So, you hired a lawyer to complete an estate plan for you, which may have included a revocable trust. You probably had a sense of accomplishment in knowing that you have done what is necessary to make sure your family is taken care of at your death or during any period of incapacity. Most people desire to avoid the court system or probate court. Chances are you were told that there are some additional steps that were needed to ensure that your revocable trust is properly funded. Properly funding a trust means that you transfer the assets out of your name into the trust. You may have even been provided with funding instructions. If you took those steps, congratulations. We find that most people either don't understand funding, never got started but never finished, or never started at all. Let's talk about funding your revocable trust. We tell our clients that when you hire an attorney to create trust for you, it's like paying a contractor to build you a beautiful house. Just like a house needs furniture to make it livable, in the same way, a trust requires assets to make it useful for the purposes for which it was created. Among other things, a properly funded trust bypasses the probate process and allows for the smooth and easy management of your assets during your lifetime, during any period of disability, and at death. Some assets can be immediately transferred into the trust. Now, some assets cannot be placed immediately into trust, but there are still some things you need to do to make sure that these assets are placed into trust at your passing. For purposes of our illustration, instead of transferring them immediately into trust, we're going to make the trust the beneficiary of the assets, so that they go into the trust at death. Now we're feeling pretty good. We've aligned the assets to the trust by making the necessary transfers during your lifetime and changing beneficiary designations so that certain assets pass to the trust at your death. Now, say you inherited a piece of real estate, but you forgot to transfer it into the trust, and you pass away. Assets that have not been properly addressed in relation to your trust cannot go to the trust after your death. So what happens to that asset? It goes to the probate court and through the probate process. If you have any questions about estate planning or trust funding, give us a call. We would be happy to assist you.